Hello everyone, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. So Apple just released another software update a few days ago. So all the supported devices are from iPhone 6s all the way to the iPhone 13, 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. If you don't see the update, go to General About Software Update and check for updates. The size of the update was around 280 megabytes. This is not a update with new features. Basically, if you see a 1 in the end or on the software update, means that this is a software update that fixes all the issues, all the bugs, all the problems that many people had. And actually, a few people was complaining that they had problems with the iPhone 13 series with the display. Some people was complaining that some people had issues with the display. The display was yellowish. Luckily for me, I didn't have any issues on my 13 Pro, so I don't know if you had any issues. Let me know in the comments down below. But overall, this update fixes all these problems, and some people had problems with the Wi-Fi and the 5G as well. But let me know in the comments down below if this is the case, if you had any issues. Again, 280 megabytes doesn't fix any problems, and we are very close to the iOS 15.4. I think this is the most important software update, and the reason for that is finally we're gonna be able to unlock our iPhones without with mask. So this is gonna be interesting to unlock your phone with a mask, and that's why this software update is very important for many people. In some countries, the restrictions are already lifted. Here in UK, most of the places do not require mask to wear, but let me know in the comments down below if this is the case in your country. But it will be interesting to see to unlock your iPhone with mask. This is gonna be interesting to see, so make sure to subscribe, hit that like button if you don't want to miss this update. So iPhone 6s still runs as a champion in my opinion. This phone is been on the market for such a long time, and finally this is gonna be the last year of software update, or maybe we'll be surprised. Who knows? We'll see. So let me know in the comments down below if you had any issues with your iPhone 6s, 6s Plus. This iPhone works still amazing in 2022. No issues, no problems. So yeah, I'm very happy to see Apple doing very good, especially with the older devices such as iPhone 6s, SE first generation that I have here, which is very interesting. This iPhone still works amazing. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below, guys. What do you think? Did you update it? Are you on an older version, or you are with the iOS 15.3.1? If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.